Learn English online at Best Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus a noun or pronoun.
When get is followed by a noun or a pronoun, it can have the same meaning as many verbs as listed. To receive, to fetch, to obtain, to catch, to reach, to buy, etc.
I'm glad. I've got a gift for my birthday from my children.
It means I've received a gift.
May I ask you to get me from the airport, please? I arrive at 2 a.m.
We have used get instead of to fetch or to pick.
I'm happy. I got my driving license 2 weeks ago.
She is happy because she has obtained her license driving.
You're coughing. I think you've got a cold.
It means you have got a cold.
I've got a new bike for my son Adam.
In this example, get replaces the verb to buy. Did you get this first way?
Yeah, I get it. Understood everything. It's clear and easy. Can you get me a coffee, please? Before we continue.
Yes, sure. All right. Let's go to the second one.